So I'm just going to be finishing the rest of, I believe April, no, July 2023. So what have we got on the 4 hour time frame? We have rebalanced into these imbalances down here. We're starting to displace higher. I'm going to mark this draw up here and this draw up here on ES. We've displaced through this 4 hour CB, but we still have 30 minutes left until that next candle closes. And it looks like we're about to form a bearish SMT as well with these two highs here. We are also inside of this hourly CB, but it looks like price wants to disrespect it. But we still have 30 minutes until that candle closes, so I mean, anything could happen. This rebalance that we got, yeah, it's not really much of a rebalance, but I mean, I'm still gonna count it. But what caused us? Did we take out draw higher? Okay, we rebalanced into some gap over there. That's fine. So yeah, I'm just gonna mark my lows down here. I'm gonna mark both of these lows here on NQ and ES. ES has made relative equal lows. And we've taken this high. Next draw's up here that I've already marked, that 4 hour gap. And I'm gonna mark this hourly gap also. Boom. Mark this high on ES too. Looks like we're probably gonna take this high and mark it open. I think we already have, so I'll just mark the SMT like that now. For this bearish SMT here. And we have this high here. We'll probably will take a market open and we'll make SMT of that high as well. Okay, that's great. 5 minute time frame. We have made a 5 minute gap here. We've rebalanced into this gap already actually. So I'm not even gonna mark this out. Rebalance here into this gap. This gap held. And what do we do after rebalancing into that gap? We just had the strong displacement move higher. And we've made this bearish SMT here, but I do think price wants to take out this this high, rebalance into this gap. Let's see how we react from this 5 minute gap over here. If we do end up tapping into that, do we flip bearish or do we continue higher to these relatively equal highs? Okay, let's see. Just mark this out properly. Yeah, we're definitely going to take this high out now. Okay, cool. We probably are going to take these gaps, rebalance into these higher time frame gaps now. We've made this weird SMT here, bearish SMT. Okay, there you go. So we have just now rebalanced into that 4 hour gap. Yep, there. So right now I want to see how price reacts to that gap, and in terms of draws higher, got this high up here, and that's pretty much it. So really, I would prefer if price started trending bearish. Can't speak. ES is rebalanced into this 5 minute BISI here, as you can see, and we have also already rebalanced into this 1 minute gap here also on NQ. I want to see how price reacts after tapping into that 4 hour gap. We've tapped the hourly gap now as well. ES has made this internal bullish SMT. And I'm just waiting because we also do have bearish SMT too. With this candle wick high. Bit of a weird one. Just manipulating these highs multiple times. Now we're getting some displacement low, okay. But again, I'm not just going to pass and trade the displacement. I want to wait for some true confirmation. And our draws are still very far away. So these low resistance liquidity down here and down here. So I still have plenty of time to wait. Try and clean the charts up a bit because it's very messy. Okay. Okay, we've taken this internal low here on NQ and ES. We're inside of this gap here. I want to see how price reacts to this once more. I'm going to remove this too. It's getting messy. And we're getting strong bearish displacement now. Okay, cool. Now all I'm looking for is a retracement and then displacement back down, and I can just target these draws lower. But it does look like price will probably just dump and not give me an entry, which won't be very nice, but it's alright. Or maybe we do get an entry. Look at the high time frame. Okay, it's 15-minute gaps holding. 5-minute gaps also holding, but let's just see. Let's just wait. We made this bullish SMT at the lows here. Doesn't look like it's going to hold. We've rebalanced into the CB here multiple times. I'll just wait until price takes its first low. There you go. What do we do after that? SMT at the highs here. This does not look great. We're just consolidating. Okay, now we've come up with that consolidation. Is that 15-minute gap still holding? Yes, it is. Is that 5-minute gap still holding? Yes, it is. All these bullish gaps here are holding, but we're also inside this 5-minute gap here. So I just want to see, maybe we get retracement, displacement back higher, and I can target these draws up here. ES is close to these highs here, way closer than NQ. In fact, we've already taken these highs. What the fuck is this? Well, this is about to take these highs, so we're about to make SMT as well. And now we've made SMT inside of that 5-minute CB. This could literally just go both either way, so I'm just going to react to what price is doing. Let's see. Got some pretty strong displacement. How do we react to this BISI though? No strong displacement to either side just yet. Okay, that's pretty nice. Give me a bit more displacement lower and I can take a short. Nope. Okay, candle close is pretty nice. This consolidation. This is already a tell that this day's bonds. It's 10:08. I didn't even realize as well. But I am going to take this anyway. Cause why not? I'm pretty confident that this will play out. Yes, looks like I want to come up and take this draw. To be honest, I might even target that full draw. What is it? 1 for 15-minute. Yeah, I do think we're gonna take that full draw there. Let's have a shot at this. See if I get railed. Doesn't look great. This does not look great at all. I wanted to see displacement with speed. which we are not really getting. I'm just gonna go on the fuck that shit. Let me just skim through this quickly. Yeah, that rejection doesn't look nice either. But it's gonna hold until I can go break even, which is at this first high here. Hopefully I can at least get break even if this does not want to play out. But like I said, as I said previously, this and this was already a sign that delivery would be bad if I were to take a trade, but I took it anyway. I'm just going the 1 minute time frame. Just does not look great at all. Made SMT here. What the fuck? Okay, low key at this point. Okay, that's break even there. That was the shittiest trade I've ever. See, this is why you'd like to avoid. Even if you see a nice, you think it's nice entry, you get a retracement displacement to a draw. Okay, cool. This is just a sign that the delivery will be shit to your draw. That's a lesson for myself as well. I'm not going to take trades in the future now that when we've already presented shitty price action before, taking some draws on liquidity already. There's no point because it just decreases the probability of your trade playing out and hitting TP. That was just shitty. If I was in live markets, I would have been shitting bricks. Just because we're just chopping. Edge my stop loss. This trade was what? How long was that? Entered at around here. 10:08. That trade was over like an hour and a half. Not worth it at all. Next day. Okay. 4 hours swept this high. And now we've rebalanced into this gap here with this internal manipulation. We have this internal turtle soup here inside of this 4 hour imbalance. The hourly time frame, what is it telling me? We have these relatively equal highs here, which I do look quite nice to be honest. Boom, mark that out on NQ as well. Sorry. I want to see how price reacts to this manipulation we've just had. Might just swing high up here as well. Hourly draws, we've got this hourly gap down here. We don't really have much. So let's go on the 15-minute time frame. Okay, I'll just mark this low here. Mark this low on. We've taken that low on yes already, so we've made SMT there. I'll mark out this low too. But again, the draws are quite far. What has we done? What is the 50-minute telling me? We've manipulated this high. Here we've rebalanced. Failed to take it out once, and then this candle took out this high here with SMT. So there's our form of manipulation. And now price is currently trading inside of a 15-minute gap, which we've already tapped into once, now twice. So let's see if this wants to hold or not. 5-minute time frame. It's not gonna be much difference. Just gonna mark out the lows that we have here. What the fuck, bro? Aside from that, any other draws? No, not really. Okay. So those are all my draws that I've marked. Let's see. No 5-minute gap. This just looks shit. High time frame wise is bad. So what can we guess that the low time frame will be? Probably shit as well. But again, I'm just gonna gauge anyway, because you never know. See what market open does. Okay. So that 15-minute gap holds. We have market open sell off. Boom. From this SMT here. Now we've got this bullish SMT too, but I think yes might take that low. Let me just clean the chart up again. So with SMT of this low, as you can see, ES has not taken this low yet. So now I want to see how price reacts to it. Does price want to respect this 1 minute SIBI here? Or are we going to run it, come higher, come to these draws, relative equal highs, or we're going to come lower, disrespect this SMT, and come low to these draws? Either the two will happen, or price will just chop. But I don't really think price will chop, to be honest. I'm liking this displacement, to be honest. Let me just wait for candle closure. Oh, boom. Well, we're taking that first draw. There's no need for me to have a FOMO entry and just pray that price continues to displace here. We've taken a draw on liquidity already. What am I going to do? I'm going to wait and see how price reacts to that draw before entering again. Again, we still have this SMT. Yes, still hasn't taken this draw this low. It's still holding technically. So again, to be patient, wait for a second rebalance. If we don't get it, I'm not gonna fucking cry. Is what it is. Rebalance again. Displacement. This looks nice. No, I'm not gonna take this. Why? ES looks bearish. I'm bullish as fuck. We're probably gonna take these highs and make SMT and then come lower as these draws here. I don't think we're gonna take these draws now. If we do, then it is what it is. Okay, we've made SMT now with these highs. Okay, now we take the draws. You fucking can't. Again, I'm not mad. I think I've done the right thing there. I'm not taking anything. If I don't get another setup or entry or whatever, it's fine. It's always a better day to trade. Now ES is bullish. We're about to take this higher on ES here. So see what happens once we take that higher there. Okay, boom. We've made that SMT. Let's look on 15 minute time frame. 5 minute, we're inside this 5 minute gap currently. Don't want anything until we form an SMT of some sort and get SMT disrespect, to be honest. Very uncorrelated. And I don't want to get caught up in the chop or get manipulated, so I'm just going to wait. For price to show me what it wants to do. SMT at the lows. SMT disrespect with displacement. And we've had that 5 minute rebalance. I'll put my stop up here just to account for a rebalance. I'll have to go break even at that draw. Have 5 minute rebalance. We've had that bearish SMT. Yeah, I'm pretty confident in this trade playing out, to be honest. Okay, maybe like 70% confident in this trade playing out. Let's see. Let's see. Already a bad sign. That gap is my last line of defense, but honestly, it doesn't look like we're gonna hold it. Yeah, that's fine. Let's see. As I said, yes. Oh, that was the stupidest loss. That's fine. So, I mean, to be honest, just because of how bullish ES was, it wasn't really wise for me to take a short there and hope that ES was bearish as well. But if ES started dumping and were correlated on both pairs, I think that would have been a great trade, but it's unfortunate. I mean, I'd say that's a pretty avoidable loss, but you know, we learned from it. Let's see what price was after. And to be honest, after I missed this first entry, I shouldn't have been so desperate to take another one. This day looks bonds anyway, so it's fine. Take my loss and firm it. Next day. What's the time? Right. So, oh yeah. Okay, we've got SMT with this draw, but honestly, I do think Inky wants to take it, just trading higher. Rebalance. This is tiny ass rebalance, but I mean it counts. Hourly time frame, rebalance onto this hourly gap. SMT obviously. Let me look on the daily if we've got any draws higher, or is this all-time highs? No, it's not all-time highs, okay. Smart, this daily should be up here. 15-minute. How far is that? Okay, never mind, that's low-key far. Low-key, the next draw higher is this and that's it. So, I mean, I'm not really liking this already. It's a bit scuffed, low-key. 15 minutes look kind of choppy, but we're in a clear bullish trend though. We've made this bullish SMT at these lows. Manipulated into buy side imbalances, respected those. 5 minute looks chopped as fuck. This does not look good at all. I don't think I'll trade this day. Let's see. I'm just gonna skim through this because this looks shit. Alright, taking that draw now. What? Okay, that's nice. I'm liking this basement. Let me mark some shorts. What the fuck? Like I said, the draws high are pretty much non-existent, too far away. So I'd much rather taking shorts here. Although the higher time frame trend is clearly bullish, we have taken that the higher time frame target, objective, whatever. So I mean, now I'm not too opposed to taking shorts. Let's just see. Okay, we're taking that draw of SMT. Boom, SMT at this low. Hope we can get a rebalance maybe. There's no rebalance. We have bearish SMT also at these internal highs. If we're bearish, I want to see this gap hold with that SMT also. And displacement lower. Which will not get him. I don't really want to take longs, mate, so if I'm being honest. Okay, manipulated those highs now. I'm just going to go in 1 minute. I don't think that I'll be trading this day. Unless we start trading lower. Like we are right now. Okay. Wait for us to make SMT with this low here. Is that a 5 minute rebalance? Nope, we don't even have a 5 minute candle. That is a nice flip though. We have SMT again. Just gonna wait. Now I think we just had a 5 minute rebalance. Yep, there you go. Have all these relative equal lows beneath us. Looks like ES wants to take that high. Yeah, there you go. SMT with this high. Boom. Inside that 5 minute gap. Now how does price want to react? I see an obvious displacement to downside. Still it's bonds. But I'm confident in these shorts. Brother. Okay, yeah, that's nice. One more bearish candle, please. This is the shittest day. What edge? Manipulate these lows twice. I'm not hopping off these fucking charts until I get my short. I'm joking, but that's 11:20. But I'm really confident in these draws. But the day is already low prob. Let's see. Come on, man. So no way we don't take these lows. Oh, that would have been a nice entry. Give me a rebalance. Fuck it. We're short in here. Mate, this entry right here was perfect, but it's fine. Never do this in real time. You'll get fucked. I'm probably going to get fucked. In fact, no, I'm not, because I'm going to go break even at this low. But yeah. You cunt. That is what happens. Break even though, it's fine. Alright, 4 hour time frame. Let me actually look in. 4 hour time frame, we've basically disrespected this whole massive imbalance here on the 4 hour. Next job, we have these relative equal lows down here. ES is nowhere near them. Rebalance this SIBI here as well. Well, this looks good for shorts, to be honest. This looks nice, bear structure, rebalance. This is a clean structure right here. Rebalance, respect to this gap, respect to this gap, respect to this gap. Manipulation. We're probably gonna come higher a bit, then displace lower. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. Don't let me down, man. Hopefully the PA isn't shitty. Okay, 15-minute condition right here. We've rebalanced into yep. And we've got this 5-minute gap here, but to be honest, I don't really think that will hold. But again, I'm gonna react instead of predict, because I don't want to get rolled a mouse. I see what market open does. Okay, rebalance again. Okay, maybe we're not bearish. Sick. I didn't even mark out any draws higher. Let me. Boom. Brother. Boom. 3 big booms. 15-minute gap up here. Boom. Oh, what is this? I didn't even need an opening gap or some shit. I don't know. Yeah, okay. That can flip my bias for sure. Alright. It was this one. I've got SMT. Yeah, fucking weird ass. Anyway. Rebalancing into these imbalances. I don't like these 3 bearish candles we've already had. They give me something. Ugh. 5-minute candle opened in 2 minutes. So maybe we're just waiting for that to happen. SMT inside of that 5-minute gap, maybe. Okay, we've tapped the 5-minute gap here. It's basing above this high, but we have SMT, unfortunately. So I'm just gonna wait. How does price react to it? I'm not convinced. High resistance days again, brother. Just gonna try be extra patient. Maybe have 10 AM news or something. Okay, we don't. Cool. 15-minute gap still holding, I believe. Yep. 5-minute gap. 15-minute gap. Bloom. Sure looks pretty nice, to be honest. I just think price is about dump. My stop's like around here. 1 to 1. Boom. This is just continuation of this bearish leg, to be honest. Let's see. I mean, I could put my stop like higher up here just to be safe. Yeah, you know, I'll do that instead. Let's see. Break even. Get break even. Sick. That's alright though. SMT here at this internal low. Boom. Are we still bearish? It looks like it, to be honest. Rebalance. That looks nice. ES is about to take this loader. SMT disrespect. Boom, we're in shorts here. Re-entry. Nice little 1-to-1. But I'm not even noticing the time, bro. You know, it doesn't matter. What the fuck? Low, genuinely, bro. This could just be a re-entry. Because these are the draws. High time frame. I was talking about. Looks pretty nice. I do think price will probably fucking take all of them out right now. Low key, son. Yeah, I know it. That was a clean-ish day. That was a right day. It wasn't too bad. Those draws were really nice. Those were really obvious draws in the hard time frame. I thought we were going to flip but bullish because of what we did at market open. When we started consolidating here, we had some bearish structure. I was like, yeah, those draws are getting hit. 4 hour rebalanced here. SMT caused us to rebalance again into these bearish imbalances. Let's see how price reacts to them. I don't really want to long inside of these gaps, to be honest. Maybe I can long. Oh, I've already rebalanced into hourly CB there. Next draw higher is literally these relative equal highs and this hourly CB. This hourly CB. However, ES is also close to these draws here. We'll probably make bearish SMT there. Around market open maybe. Yeah. Yeah. Unfold 15. Rebalance already into this 15. We have these relative equal lows though. Looks pretty nice. Ooh, that's a nice. These are some nice lows. I'm not going to lie. Alright, cool. Five-minute time frame. No 5-minute imbalances for me to refer to. That's alright though, because I've seen enough from the 15-minute time frame. And okay, yeah, cool. Bullish draws are far, bearish draws, Market open, let's see what we do. Do FSMT, do FSMT, do FSMT, do FSMT. I don't give a fuck. Okay, cool. Market open candle was bearish. Now we're inside the 15 and 5-minute gap. I want to see how these hold, if these hold. Looks like price is seeking these low resistance liquidity. Yep. Made SMT there. We can just inverse this. Yeah, that's clean. This is more of a higher time frame continuation. So we've had this SMT here. We have rebalanced into these high time frame bullish gaps. Rebalance here, but we came higher, made this SMT, and now we're getting this massive immediate flip of displacement of speed. I mean, contemplating taking something like this. Stops up here. Target these low. You know what? I'm gonna take it. Fuck it, why not? The draws are low key far, so if I get stopped out, I could have just waited for price to come closer to the draws. But I mean, I'm pretty confident in this here. I'll go break even once we take that first internal low. Oh fuck, we made SMT. This might be a break even, but I will probably be able to get a re-entry if I get stopped out. If you break even, you can't. Yeah, that's fine. Low key, I could have closed. I saw that coming. That's alright. I still, yeah, we're definitely coming back lower though, so it's alright. I'm just gonna wait, rebalance, or we start chopping, which isn't ideal. High time frame, mid, low key. Okay, displacement again. Back towards the drawers. But we have SMT, cry key. Yes, it's taking the drawers as well. And now we're too close to the drawers. You flipping cunt. Come on. Okay. Okay, this is a little scalp right here. To the relative equal lows. I mean, you fucking cunt, bro. I'm going to break even as soon as we take this first low. It's a really early candle. We could just flip. I hope we don't. Okay, break even. I like this placement. Don't. Oh. And that's. I'm not taking another entry. I'm taking too much draws now. Yeah. Good break even. That good break even. Shit delivery. Let me chill out. Next week. This is the last week now. Mm-mm. 4 hour time frame. We've put in this bullish SMT at these lows. Yep. Yes, it's not taking the lows. We've rebalanced deeper. There's probably another rebalance for us to come lower. I hope so, because shorts look really nice on the high time frame. Personally, it's clear bearish trap. Oh, this is so juicy. Maybe we were seeking this gap down here or some shit. I don't know. Low resistance liquidity everywhere. Inside this hourly gap though, I don't want to see this hold. We have all these relative equal highs. We'll probably take this out at market open. Either market open takes these highs and we come lower, or we come higher to this draw here. Honestly, I prefer for us to manipulate those highs and then trade lower, but beggars can't be choosers. 15 minute. Just marking more draws, marking all my draws. Boom. Yeah, we're just range bound here. I'd love to see some displacement out of this. This doesn't look great. Got this unfold 15 minute down here also. And 5, yeah. Low resistance liquidity, both sides. This is going to be interesting. Let's see what market open does. Okay, took out all them relative equal highs, rebalance into a 15 minute gap again. Gap again. Now what does price do after? SMT at highs. Yes, it's taken this draw already, so we've got SMT there. We're taking this high here inside that gap. Clean up the charts before I get confused. We have external and internal SMT at these highs. But I don't really want to long until we get close to this draw if you are bullish. But so yeah. SMT at the lows. SMT disrespect. But SMT right here. I've got relative equal lows. I could take something like this, but not the cleanest. I'm just gonna wait for a bit longer. Hopefully I get another rebalance. of some sort. Yeah. Um. Consolidating incoming. Oh, we had 10 a.m. PMI. Ah, got more relatively equal lows below. Let's see if we take those at least. Yeah, I'm shorting this. I like that displacement. We're getting the clean displacement to the next draws. I'm not even going to wait for a change of state. Very, very clean displacement. Rebalance. Stop loss is a bit iffy, but I mean it's above the rebalance candle, so it's protected, I guess. Like I said, we manipulate these highs, rebalance into this gap here. Now we're starting to trade lower, and we have this external bearish SMT here, which is supporting our bearish narrative. I mean, I could have also taken something like this. Stops there, whatever, but I mean, I'm not trading that news candle. It's fucking dodgy. But this trade looks pretty nice, so I mean, why not take it? Don't do it. Okay, I'm going break even there. We're taking that internal low. Yeah, beautiful trade. Beautiful day. I thought I was about to get railed, but my stop was protected. It was above the rebalance wick. It's fine, nothing to worry about. Even though I got worried. Okay. 25th of July. I wish I'm still recording. Okay, we're good. What a wonderful day. Ooh, what a wonderful day. Rebalance. Brother, shorts are so clean. Aye. So what do we have? We have this manipulation of these highs. Bro, I don't even know what's going on. Let me go down in the low time frame. Doesn't look good. Honestly, I'm not even going to try and read out what price is doing. I'm just going to see, to be honest, because I ain't got a clue here. It looks confusing. This whole week shorts have been nice though. Rebalancing these hourly imbalances. Okay, calm, shun. Boom, rebalance. That looks like a news candle, but I'm on the hourly time frame, so never mind. Oh, we have SMT with these lows. Let's mark out these draws here, and then these draws down here. Alright, let's see. Oh, one for the 1 hour gap. Didn't even mark that out. Unmitigated gap. Taking out this low. I want to see how price reacts to this low now. This internal low that we've swept. Or turtles liquidity sweep. And we've also got this SMT. I'll mark it out. I mean, we had this rebalance displacement, but we failed to go higher, and we didn't make a higher high here. We made a lower high, which could be an indication of a switching trend. We've also got this unfilled gap there. Yeah. Downtrend, yes. SMT, obviously. Let's see what market open does. If we rebalance into that 15-minute and get displacement lower, maybe. Okay. Don't mind. SMT at the highs though. Inside the 15-minute gap. I've got relative equal highs. To be honest, both draws. Ooh. This could be a bit juicy. Okay, there we go. Bullish draws have been taken. What other draws do we have higher? That last row that I marked out, and that's pretty much it, to be honest. Let's see. So we're taking out the relative equal highs. How does price react to these highs now? That's what I'm wondering. And we also have this bearish SMT in place. But already we're seeing a lot of wickage, which I'm not a fan of. That displacement looks nice. If we get displacement past its tunnel low, maybe. Okay, we just made a 5-minute gap here. What does price do inside of this gap? And we also have this SMT, the internal bullish SMT. But I don't want it long until we tap this gap though, to be honest. And we're just chopping about. So something fishy is going on. It looks like ES probably wants to take out one of these highs or some shit. It's a bank holiday. That's not. Okay. Oh, NQ. What are we doing? I don't want to take some shitty scalpy long here, to be honest. Unless we form like a fuck about for 3 minutes. Okay. Okay. Hope we don't take these highs. We've got relative triple, relative equal highs. Oh, cunt. Alright, now my bullish draws are basically taken. Hopefully we flip bearish or some shit. Okay. Can we get any shorts? Doesn't look like it. It's priced in where it wants. Yeah, nah. Alright, next day. Wednesday the 20. Wednesday the 26th of July. Alright, so we've taken this high in ES. No, we haven't. We've edged the high in ES, and NQ's come nowhere near it. Rebalance. Bro, what is this high time frame? It was good for a bit, and now we're just. I ain't got a clue. I'm still more bearish though, if I'm being honest. Ooh, taking it slow. I'll mitigate it 1 hour gap down here that we still haven't tapped. Relative equal. Ooh. These shorts, yeah, like the draws lower, very nice. Rebalance, manipulation. How do we react from it? Chop. Choppity chop. Chop. Alright, calm. So mark out these lows. Manipulation, baby. It's just SMT at the highs. We're just consolidating lower. Oh my gosh. Chop. Nice. Again, I'm more bearish than bullish, but I mean anything can happen at this point with this shite ass PA. So I'm not gonna marry any bias. Have we rebalanced into anything? The rejection block on 15, I believe. Yeah, but we've already tapped into it. But could just short now to the equal lows, but nah, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait and be patient. Still got more draws, that's right. Rebalance. We've got this little internal SMT here. This low and this low. Maybe get some disrespect. Maybe that SMT holds. And we tap into a 5-minute gap. Maybe. Maybe. Then we get a nice and strong displacement candle lower. Maybe. And maybe I catch entries off that. Maybe. Just maybe. Or maybe we get 5-minute rebalance of bearish SMT inside of it. Or we just get a 5-minute rebalance. Or we get the SMT inside of it. And this candle rejects, maybe. Maybe. And we target them lows. Maybe. If we displace through this. Maybe we don't want shorts at all. SMT at the highs. We're in a 15-minute app. No, yeah, this is really depressing. If I'm being honest. Doesn't look like we want shorts. I will take a long here. Rebalance displacement. SMT disrespect. Boom, boom, boom. With these triple relative equal highs. Let's see if this wants to play out. Please, please, please. We do have this SMT though, but like we've already disrespected a bunch of bearish SMTs. Now it looks like it's time to consolidate higher. Hopefully, anyway. Oh, why am I even trading this day, bro? Please. Wait. I don't even know why I'm trading these bonds days, to be honest. That's on me, to be honest, that's on me. Oh, I'm actually just an idiot. Yeah, like, we've just been chopping before as well. This is not good at all. But watch me cook, though. Next day. Alright, let's see. So what's my win rate? You know what? I'll check it after. No, I'll check it right now. It's probably bonds. Yep, cooked. 70%. I'm taking a bunch of trades as well. It's been a very high frequency month for me. A bunch of break evens. Well, hey, you know what's fine. 4 hour time frame. I'm skimming through this because I'm starting to just lose my head. What is that SMT, bro? So we're SMT here. Massive SMT. I don't think it's holding. Rebalance placement, bro. What the fuck? Well, I can see now. Rebalance, Yaga. So we've taken this draw. We've got these relative equal lows down here. Triple relative equal lows down here. And then we've got those highs up there, cuz. Go back on the 5 second. Let's see. Market open will either go up or down. Which one? Up. SMT. Excuse me. SMT. We're gonna get close to the draw. Maybe get a rebalance. Wishing to pump higher. Bruv. No rebalance apparently. Single candle. Rebalance. Let me just take it. What is this price action, bro? It's actually gonna get me mad. I actually don't understand. Ay. Rebalance placement to the draws, triple relative equal lows, very nice draws. Break even at these lows. Let's see. Please go to TP. Thank you. Okay, finally can't pass, mate. Been risking 1 minute this whole time, so it's fine. It's fine. And low key, no, let me just finish the days, man. Draw liquidity. Draw on liquidity. 1 hour. Bro, I'm so mad at that dumbass trade, bro. What am I doing? It's fine. Anyway, 15-minute gap high. I actually can't be asked to mark anything out on it. Yes, to be honest. Boom. 5 minute probably worse. Yep. Cheers. SMT at the highs. SMT at the lows too. I really want to bruv, low key. I'm just gonna short this shit, bro. These lows look very nice. Bunch of low resistance liquidity beneath us. Bunch of resting sell side liquidity. I will target one. Yeah. Let's see. Let us see. And we've got SMT as well at these highs. It's pretty clean. What's our time frame saying actually? Yeah, low key, I'm just target a full draw. Let's see. Don't roll me, please. I could stop. I might adjust my stop and put it up there, but let's see if we get this placement first. Oh no. Okay, let's see what price does. Okay, fair enough. This is actually jokes, bro. Better come lower. Let's have a look actually. I can smell something juicy coming. I lied, man. Wait, did I? Take that thing out, please. Oh, we're gonna sell off here. Yes. Alright, let me chill out, man. Oh my days, bro. I'm so vexed. But I'm at SMT, bro. Just SMT after SMT. I could either take the trade or go break even once we make the SMT. Or low key, I'm not losing out on anything. I'll just do that instead. Because if price runs, at least I can get my piece of pie. Yeah, Zimmy. Boom, 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 boom. See? Would have missed out on my entry next day. Oh, that's the last day. I don't even want to look at my win rate, bro. Wait, let's see if I can get another entry. Boost the P&L. Yeah, I like that. 5-minute rebalance. I like this consolidation. I love this consolidation. Okay. Yeah, we love it. Flip. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Wait. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, that's sorted. Piano wise, not that bad. You know what? I don't even care about. Oh, that is low. Yeesh. Could be worse, man. To be honest. 10%. First 2 weeks was great, and then. Look, it's not even that bad, bro. Just very high frequency. That's all good. Lots of avoidable losses there. Not bad, I guess. And I took some dumb trades I would never have taken. So, I mean, call it cope if you want. I don't care.